Hi, a very good afternoon to all of my viewers. Today now I am going to providing you a GK class for standard 3 students. Already we have complete our chapter 4. Today we are reading about your chapter 5 and also your chapter 6 because these two chapters are combined chapters. These both are related to each others. And your chapter name is Be Punctual, chapter 5, and chapter 6 is What Do I Do? So dear students, these two chapters are a good signs for a good sign for being a good person or good personality. So today we read it combined. So let's come to our lesson. So dear students, this is the chapter 5, Be Punctual, and this is chapter 6, What Do I Do? But at first we will discuss about chapter 5, Be Punctual. At first tell me, what do you understand by punctual? Punctual का मतलब क्या है? Punctual means if we do our every work in the fixed time or a particular time, this is called punctual. Punctuality is an important quality of a successful person. If you want to be a successful, then you have to punctual. It is enables a person to complete his or her task on time. If you are a punctual person, then it helps you to complete your work in particular time or in a fixed time. Punctuality makes our life happier and easier and help us to maintain a disciplined lifestyle. According to me, punctuality makes our life happier and easier and help us to maintain a disciplined lifestyle. So dear friends, if you want to be a successful person, to be a great person, then you have to complete your every work, your every daily work in a particular time or in a fixed time. Never get late. Always early, always be punctual, and it helps you to be a sincere student or to be a sincere person in your life. If you complete your work in time, then everyone should give you respect and obey your orders. We know that our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, we know him, he was very punctual. So you have to be punctual in your life. So dear friends, some punctual activities like you complete your homework in a particular time, you complete your homework daily, you get up very early in the morning and go to the bed in a particular time or very early at the night. You have to get ready for your school in time. You reach your school in time and you attend your prayer class in time. So this is the punctual habits of a student. Like some punctual habits of our fathers, like he go to their work in a particular time or in a perfect time. He complete their work in a particular time. He come to the home at time. So ये सब होता है punctuality का sign. So dear friends, there are some habits that shows punctuality and cross out the one that do not. जैसे मैंने कुछ punctual habit के बारे में बताई, here are some habits. You have to tick the punctual habits and cross the wrong ones. First, waking up on time. Waking up on time, that means very early in the morning or at a fixed time. Yes students, this is a punctual habit. So you have to tick this act. Number 2, not completing your homework on time. Not completing your homework on time. No, this is a bad habit, so you have to cross this statement. Being on time to play with your friends. अगर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को कोई टाइम दिए हो तो उसी टाइम पे पहुंच जाना खेल के लिए. Yes, this is a punctual habit or a good habit. So you have to take this statement. Number 4, taking a long time to get dressed for school. You have to get ready for your school in time. You have to take a little bit time to dress up yourself. So this is a punctual habit. You have to write it. Number 5, being on time for an exam. अगर आपके एग्जाम के लिए कोई टाइम फिक्स हुआ है तो आपको उसी टाइम से पहले या उसी टाइम के अंदर आके पहुंचना है. ये सही है. दिस इज ए गुड हैबिट. Otherwise you will fail your exam. So this is a good habit. You have to take this. Number 6, making your friend wait for you. अपने फ्रेंड को अपने लिए वेट करवाना, ये गलत बात है. तो you have to cross this statement. Then chapter 6, what do I do? What should you have to do to be a good person or be a good human being? So, dear students, you all are know about that. We all have some good habits and some bad habits. Like good habits, like we say sorry if we have a mistake to somebody. But bad habits, we ignore our mistakes without excuse ourselves. So this is a bad habit. So dear friends, good habits make a good person and bad habits make a good bad person. If you have good habits, then everyone respect you and loves you. But if you have any bad habit, then everyone deny you. So dear students, you have to acquire very much of good habits and discard your bad habits. So dear friends, in your previous class you all are know about the good words like sorry. If you want something from someone, then you should say please. If someone gives you something, then you should say thank you. Here are also some good manners or good habits, like when we sneeze or cough, then we cover our mouth with a handkerchief. Like when we enter somebody's room, then we have to knock the door or give the permission or take the permission from those person. So these are some good manners or good habits. Here are some statements. If write what you would do in the given situation. यहाँ पे कुछ सिचुएशन है, इस सिचुएशन के हिसाब से आपको क्या करना है वो आपको लिखना है. नंबर 1, when somebody gives you something. अगर आपको कोई कुछ देते हैं तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? Yes, we should have say thank you to those person. We should have say to thank you. Thanks the person. This its answer is thanks the person. Number 2, when we cough or sneeze. When you cough or sneeze, then you have to cover your mouth with a handkerchief. Number 2 answer, cover my mouth. Number 3, when someone is going to appear in an exam. If someone like your best friend, like your friend, like your brother, like your sister, anybody, if they were going to their attend their exam, then you have to greet them. आप उनको ग्रीट करना चाहिए, यानी कि उनको बेस्ट ऑफ लक बोलना चाहिए. कैसे? विश हिम और हर गुड लक. विश हिम और हर गुड लक. When someone is going to appear in an exam, then you should wish him or her good luck. Number 4, before entering somebody's room. Before entering somebody, if we want to enter somebody's room, then we have to knock his or her door. So this answer is take permission. परमिशन लेके हमें किसी के रूम के अंदर जाना चाहिए. So before entering somebody's room, then you have to take permission. Number 5, when you are in a hospital. अगर आप एक हॉस्पिटल में हो तो you know that very well, you have to keep silent there. So its answer is keep silent. अगर आप हॉस्पिटल में हो तो आपको साइलेंट रहना चाहिए. Number 6, when somebody comes to meet you. If somebody wants to meet with you or comes to meet you, then you have to greet him like come or handshake or namaste ये करके. तो when somebody comes to meet you, then you have to greet the person saying hi, saying hello or namaste or good morning or good afternoon, as per the situation you have to greet the person. So here are the questions, and we have already solved it. I will prepare a hard copy for you. In this hard copy, I write out the short notes of be punctual and what do I do, both chapter 5 and chapter 6, and already I have been write out the answers of these tasks like chapter 5 and chapter 6. You have to write out it in your school copy. Then here I am giving you some homeworks like tick the punctual habits. Read out these sentences and tick the punctual habits. Number 2, write 3 punctual habits of your father and your mother. अपने पापा या अपने माँ का 5 punctual habits आपको लिखना है. Number 3, write what would you do in the given situation. Here are some situations you have to write out the words. Number 3, write what would you do in the given situation. Here are some situations you have to write out your behaviors according to the situation. Like number 1, when you hurt someone, if someone hurt by you, then you have to say sorry. Like this you have to fill up these blanks. Number 4, write 10 good manner or good words, जैसे कि sorry or thank you, please, excuse me, etc. etc. You have to write out 10 good manners or good words. So dear students, write the hard copy in your school copy and prepare for your exam. If you have any doubt, then you can call me. You may call me. Thank you.